Pool Payday updates are distributed through the App Store, so if a new version is missing, the first place to check is the app's App Store page rather than the game itself. By the end of this guide, you'll know what to check on your iPhone when the Pool Payday update doesn't appear, and what to do if the App Store still shows the older version. Start by opening the App Store and searching for Pool Payday. Open the App Store page and look at the button next to the app name. If it says Update, tap it to install the available version. If it only says Open, the App Store is not currently showing an update for your device or account. Next, refresh the App Store listing. On iPhone, open the App Store and tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. Pull down on the account page to refresh available updates. Then check the Pool Payday listing again. If the update still isn't visible, check your iPhone's iOS version. Open Settings. Select General, then About, and check the software version. An app update can depend on the iOS version supported by that release, so an older operating system can prevent a newer version from appearing. The next step is to restart the iPhone and check the App Store again. This can refresh the connection between the device and Apple's update service without deleting Pool Payday or its local app data. Also check your internet connection. If the App Store isn't loading properly, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and reopen the Pool Payday listing. Avoid deleting the app just to force an update, especially if you're concerned about account or game progress. If Pool Payday shows Open instead of Update after these checks, the update may simply not be available to your device yet. App Store releases can become available at different times, so repeatedly reinstalling the app is not a reliable way to force a missing update. The key points are simple. Check the Pool Payday App Store page, refresh your available updates, and make sure your iPhone software is supported. Your practical next step is to open the Pool Payday listing now and check whether the button says Update or Open. If this fixed the missing update, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.